Hi, today I'm excited to announce the launch of single prompt voice AI agents on SigmaMind AI. We have made it extremely easy for developers and small teams to easily build voice AI agents and go live quickly. Now, no more complex AI agent workflows. All you have to do is enter your prompt, enter your tool calls, and you can go live with your voice AI agents. This is how it works. On your SigmaMind AI dashboard, under AI agents, go to create an AI agent. And here, now you'll see a new option, new single prompt AI agent. Just click that. And here you'll see a new UI. Now this UI, as I said, helps you build your AI agents quickly. All you have to do is enter your AI prompt here. So I've added a prompt, add your tool calls. So this would include app actions, voice actions. So let's say if you want to add a voice transfer call action, you can add here. Or if you want to add your app actions, so let's say you can add all your apps over here. So let's say Google Sheets. I want to add my Google Sheets action. I want to add my cal.com action. So I can add all these connected app actions here, right? And you can also now add welcome message over here. So I've added, hey, this is Pratik from SigmaMind AI. This is how now you can quickly go live and test your voice agents on the SigmaMind AI platform. Thank you.